We're going to start this. Thanks, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, here we go. But we start paper 2, okay? This is Methodist Girls Primary School 2021. We start with the easier ones. Let me know.
Sir, can I go get water?
Yeah, get. Those who need to get water, whatever, please carry on. Not yet, no, not yet. Okay. Now this paper is quite a fair paper. That means you can imagine the PSLE is going to be like this. The PSLE standard is roughly like this. Okay. Okay, here we go. Ready? Yeah. This is this year's. This is this year 2021. Okay. Here we go. Okay, question number 2, please. Where's the rest? 1, 2, 3. I forgot the others are here. The girls are here. Okay, that's fine. Come try. Again, 2021 is quite a fair exam paper. This is to me, I think it's a well-written exam paper. So you must be able to try. Davish, where are you, Davish? Wish. Zahin, can do not, Zahin? Believe in yourself. Don't say cannot. You can do this. Once I explain, it's very easy. You try. Come on, guys. You can do this, guys. Where's the girls? Zahin, almost correct, but your amount is no. If you try to reduce, is no longer this. That means you don't understand what it means. It means the capacity becomes bigger, but the water is still the same. You know, the water is still the same. So you try again. Come on. Ilhan, come try, Ilhan. Dawish, where are you, Dawish? Oh, Akil. Minum ni McDonald's ni. Best ah. This guy, Akil. Finally, he got McDonald's. Carissa. Well done, Zahin. You
I sent you
understand?
already.
Okay. You sent already, yeah? Okay, Akil. Well done, Akil. Well done. Okay, those who have gotten question number 1 correct, well done. You move on to question number 2. Carissa, where are you, Carissa? Dawish, paging for Mr. Dawish. Dawish, come try Dawish. This is a fair exam paper. I think this is how the standard is going to be for PSLE. This is a 2021. All questions going to be tested. We try the whole of paper 2 today, inshallah. Over. Come on. Dawish, come on. Carissa, welcome. Try this one. Davish, you don't understand this one. Let me see. How do you get? No. Let me see. Maybe you might be right. Hold on. What do you do? No, I don't think it's correct. Not correct. Davish, relax. Think carefully. The water is the same. Only the container becomes 3 times the size. Come on, Davish. Carissa also. Come on, Carissa. You can do this. Again, I repeat, this exam paper is quite a fair exam paper. Your PSLE can be like this. Please try your best. Zahin, number 2, Zahin. Okay, never mind. We'll go through in a moment. Carissa? Okay, Akil, just a moment. Carissa can get? Okay, now, Darwish and Carissa watch and Ilhan also. At first, it's 215. Okay, Ilhan, that's it. Irfan, almost correct, but you made a mistake. Now, the water does not increase anymore. Only the container. Darwish and Ilhan and Carissa. The water, the container increased. So the 2 is still the same. The 2 is still the same. So what's the new fraction? The size of the container now increased by times 3. The container now from 5 parts become 15 parts. Okay. The water is still 2 lah. So the answer is 2 over 15. Darwish, you understand, Darwish? You get it, huh? Ilhan, you understand, Ilhan? So basically it's 2 over 15, huh? Well done, Miss, let me see. Zahin, you made a careless error, right, Zahin? For your B, for number 2.
So you mean we just take 2 out of 5 divided by 3?
No, yeah, you can say not divide by 3, but the container is 5 parts. Right now you make it 15 parts. Keep the 2 because the container increased in size 3 times. So you times 3 now, the container is this size. The water is still the same. 2 out of 15. Get it, huh? Zahin, you made a careless error somewhere. I think you assume it's 90 or something like that. Akil, same thing. Akil, I think you also made the same mistake. I think. You all have made assumption about 45 degrees or something like that. You have made a careless error. Both Akil and Zahin. I'm going to make this bigger so that all of you can see. Hey guys, again, I tell you, your PSLE is like this standard, you know. Your PSLE is this standard. This is not too tough. Trust me. Darwish, you got to check. Careless, Darwish. Darwish, you know your weakness is carelessness. Come on, Darwish. Be careful. You'll surely score. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Again, the mistake Akil and Zahin did is you assume it's 45 degrees, correct? Correct, right? I'm sure. No, you didn't assume. Come on. Come on, guys. Please, guys. You can score this one. Yes, I made mistake. Okay. So far, 1, 2, 3% says 133. Watch, huh? You agree? Isosceles, huh? 180 minus 86, you get 84. 84 divided by 2. Correct, eh? 84 divided by 2, how much you get? 22. This is 86, right? Because parallel.
So,
Yeah.
180 minus 86, not 84, it's 94.
94, sorry, 94. Sorry. Aduh, marah dia. Okay. Oh, marah dia. Carissa marah. 27. But this one is also not 27. Don't assume is isosceles. Down here is parallel to this, correct? They tell you that, right? HJ is parallel. So that means this is also 86. Now you can find out what is this. What is it? Unless it's 133, let's see whether you're right. 20 is 27,
So,
right? Yeah. Is it 133?
where do you get 27?
Oh no. 94 divided by ya Allah, sorry lah. What am I doing?
47, Che.
47. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Carissa. Thank you. Okay, I do not know what happened to my mind. 94 is for these two. Divide by 2, you get 47. 47. So this is 47. This is 86, correct? You add together, what do you get? 133, yeah? Oh, that means it's correct. This is 133. Yeah, okay, you're correct. Those who take 133 is correct. My mistake. You're correct. Carissa is right. 133. How if you take 180 minus 133, you will get
47.
47. No. Is this correct? Hold on, we check again. We check again. Can we just check again? I think maybe am I making a mistake or 86? This one's 86. 94 divided by 2 is 47. 47 plus 86 is 133. Okay, you're correct. Well done. I apologize. Well done. Your mind is working. Okay. Davish, you get it right, Davish? This one now. Madu aku. Student correct me. Carissa, should I feel Madu?
Huh?
Should I feel Madu? I thought you all got it wrong. Okay. All right. Well done. Wow. Very nice. Well done, Mr. Well done, Mr. Zahin. Congratulations. So far, how many right? Zahin, 2 already. Oh, 3. Oh, 3. Okay, Zahin has gotten that. Zahin, you can move on to the next question, Zahin. Zahin, the standard of PSLE is this standard now. It's not too tough. But remember, not too tough. Teacher also can get it wrong. Something is wrong, Mr. Akil. I think you have not read. Oh, you have not read carefully. You have not read the question carefully. Let's see whether Davish will get it correct. I am confident he can get it correct, but will he read it carefully? Carissa, you have gotten the answer correct, but that is the volume of the cube. They didn't ask you for the volume of the cube, Miss Carissa. Read it carefully. Read the question carefully. Come on, hey guys. PSLE as easy as this. You just got to be careful. Let's see. Akil, you read correctly, but your answer opposite. Well done, Mr. Carissa. Ilhan, you got to check your answer. Davish, what about you, Davish? Where are you, Davish? Come on, Davish. Take a risk, Davish. Oh, Zahin, well done, Zahin. 4. Zahin, 4 straight row in a row. 4 sums correct. Well done, Zahin. Davish, come on, Davish. Don't be scared. If you make a mistake, don't be scared. You got to get over it. Okay, I am going to go through, Davish. If you're not going to give the answer, I'm going to go through. Very simple. You find the volume of the cube first. Akil, you did that, right? 12 times 12 times 12. Davish make the same error. Davish, that's the volume of the cube, Davish. 1728 is the volume of the cube? Yes, it is. They want the volume of the cuboid. Now, what do they say? The volume of the cube is twice the volume of the cuboid. Cube is twice. This one is half lah. So you must just divide it by 2. That's all. No, not times 2. You're making the same mistake Akil made. Read carefully. It is not tricky. You are not reading carefully, guys. Volume of the cube is twice the volume of the cuboid. Akil, volume of the cube is twice. So cuboid must be half. 864. I repeat, it is not difficult. You just need to be careful. I repeat, you just need to be careful. Your PSLE is going to be like this. You can score, but you are careless. That's it. Okay, Zahin, we move on to the next one. Well done. Well, Zahin has been quite careful. Well done. And Zahin, you can move on to the next question. So Zahin has gotten this question correct. Let us see, can he get the next question correct? Hold on. Let me just reduce this thing. Zahin, can see here. Careful, careful. Don't be overconfident, eh? Those of you who don't understand why you're making
Okay, aku
mistakes,
toilet.
go. Those who don't understand why you're making chemistry mistake, I will explain in a moment. After question 5, I'll explain. Oh, not bad. How much you get for maths? Can you send me? It's okay, no problem. Just send. Okay. All right, no problem. But you are getting better, right? Getting better, right? Don't worry, take your time. You know why? Because sometimes those of you who have not been passing maths, you are doing your learning in not 1 year, no, 8 months. You're squeezing primary 4, primary 5, primary 6 work. So I want you to feel okay. It's okay. You must be a coach to yourself. Don't say I still feel I'm lousy. No. You are already improving. You just need a little bit more time. But you have to push yourself. You have to push yourself. Huh? Okay, Davish. You got to read carefully, Davish. This is the answer for question number 4, is it? Davish, got to read carefully, Davish. Okay, just relax. You must be relaxed and don't be nervous now. Okay, when you make a mistake, rather than make mistake, you must stop. Maybe you wanna dua to Allah, A'udzubillah minasyaitanir rajim, and then you relax, calm, read carefully, believe in yourself, and then go for it. Okay, not bad. Soon the maths will improve, Larissa. Trust me. Okay, you just go on. Zahin cannot, Zahin. Davish, you can do it. Davish, I told you your standard is an A. But why you are making mistakes now could be a few things, assumptions. You read the question, you didn't read carefully, you make certain assumptions. Oh, I know how to do this. Mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, you're not really concentrating, so your mind floats. It goes on auto mode. When you go auto mode, you're thinking something else. Other formulas will come in. Just like this morning, I was walking to the prata stall. We were about to cross the road. There was a man on the opposite side. He's looking at the traffic light, We are crossing, he's still looking like that. He was the one who pressed the button. Where was his mind? He's the one pressing, he's looking at the green man. Yet he doesn't walk until after 10 seconds. Why? Mind is floating. Be careful, PSLE time, any subject, your mind cannot float. When it floats, your subconscious will take over. Your subconscious is what? Whatever you have been in a habit of practicing, that is going to take over what you're going to write. And that's why many students, if they have been failing before, their auto mode will be last time strategies that are wrong. And they will write it down. Suddenly they say, hey, why I write nonsense? They don't even know they're writing nonsense because they're not focused. Okay, question number 4. So far, only Zahin has given an answer. Darwish has given an answer, but the answer is not correct. Please try. What about Akil? Akil is in the toilet. Okay, all right, Akil in the toilet. Okay, no problem. Zahin, can you do number 5? How come you're sketching ahead, Zahin? You can use calculator for this one. This paper 2, Paper 2, can use calculator, please. So before the exam, you read a dua. In fact, if you can pray subuh before going to school, it's even better. But don't just do it for your exam. Do it all the time. Allah will help you. There's nothing that He cannot help you in. He has helped me thousands, millions of times. Come on, guys. Carissa can do it? Still thinking. Okay. I go on silence for 2 minutes. Zahin, got to check. Darwish, this one question number 4, is it, Darwish? You got to check again. Okay, I'm going to explain question number 4. Carissa, you ready? Carissa, you give up, No, I'm not giving up. Sometimes tuition not enough time. Okay, here we go. Now we write 10-cent coins here. They're not talking about value, they're talking about number. Is 2 20-cent coins. What's the ratio? 3:5. Good. And then at the end, the same number of 10-cent, 50-cent coins. So 3:3. You agree? Davish, you agree? So, and what was removed? 20-cent coins was removed. Only 20-cent coins. From 5 become 3. You minus 2 units. So 2 units is equals to how many? Equals to 60. 60 coins. 1 unit? 1 unit is divided by 2. You get 30. How many units you want to find? You want to find how many 10-cent coins are there. 10 cent is 3 units. 3 times 30. 90. That's it. Simple. You know how to do. You know how to do. Okay. Relax. I want you to relax again. Remember, this thing about maths, if you have not been really doing well, your old self, your subconscious is going to take over your mind if you are not focused. You must remember that. I have many students, when they're dreaming, their nonsense will come back. So you got to be conscious, you got to read, calm, cool, read carefully, write down. Okay, I'll give you enough time. Okay, you try the next one now. You can do this. Zahin also, you got to do the next one again. Your answer is not correct. Zahin still not correct. Something you're not careful, Zahin. Hey, come on, you got 4 straight. 4 straight. Okay, already now, Zahin. I repeat, it is not tough. Okay, I zip up enough. Congratulations, Mr. Zahin. Congratulations, Mr. Davish. Both of you got it correct. Zahin, you know your mistake now. Whatever your mistake was it a careless mistake? You agree, careless mistake, right? So it's not that you cannot do this, no. You can do this. Come on. Okay, the rest, I'm just going to start drawing, so that we go through a little bit fast. Teresa, I got to check. Okay, this is 7, this is 43. This one is 7, the diameter. You don't need the whole circumference, Teresa. You only need 3 out of 4 of them. 3 out of 4. Yeah, I'm just going to do this one. Straight. The rest, Davish and Zahin, just a moment. What about the rest? Akil, where are you, Akil? Toilet. Dia makan McDonald's pergi toilet. 88. Okay, 88 is correct for your circle only. 5 times D, times 14. Divide by 7. Divide by 7, get 2. So 44, sorry, 44, not 88. 44. So 44, you must divide into 4 parts. Now, because this circle can have 4 parts. So now we only want 1 part. 1 part is 11. This part is 11. This part is 11. Can you see now? 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 50 plus 7 plus 43. That's your answer. Very simple. 43 plus 7, how much is it? 50. Correct, Karisa? 43 plus 7. 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 11, 11, 11, 33. 100 plus 33, 1, 3, 3. Okay? Is it difficult? No. You just need to be careful. Okay, I repeat, your PSLE is going to be like this. Not the same question, but it's going to be You got to be careful. You miss one step, Abe. You try next one. TVR. Okay, where's V? Yeah? I think V is here. I will write the V, yeah. Okay, the V is should be here lah. This dot.
Why they never label for us, Joe?
Because this paper is this year's paper, so they take the students one, they go and rub off where the students writing, they rub off the V. Because schools are not going to share the papers, right? So they get on the students' paper. Can use a calculator, paper 2.
Sure. You know the R, that one with the line, that one.
Yeah,
Does that count is 90? Is that 90?
here. No,
No, not that.
S
How to
PR.
say?
SR to PR. S, no, SR, hold on.
Or the PRQ. The R, that one 90, right?
PR, yes, 90 here, correct. Because they tell you what, these two lines are perpendicular. SR perpendicular to RQ. No. TR, yeah, so this one is 90 here. Down here you can see 190. Okay, I'll indicate the 90 here. Okay, but this is a very important point. You must read, so it's 90. How do you know 90? You must read down here. TR perpendicular SR. The other one is also 90 down here. So there's 290 here. I use another color. How do I get this from the instructions here? Carissa, no, you got to check. Well done, Akil. Akil, well done. Okay, very good noticing by Akil, that one. Well done, Carissa. Okay, I'll minimize so that the rest can do the other one. Akil, A is correct. Well done. What about B? One minute's time, I need to go through. Darwish, got to check again. Zahin can get, Zahin. How much is this one, Zahin? You check this one, you know what? This one 90 degrees. You got this one ready? You want this one or no? This is parallel, right? That means this one is also 90 lah. Zahin, this one is also 90, Darwish also. You can find this one already. You must read down here, no? You must read this thing. No, you got to check again, Darwish. Careful, Darwish. Because once you make mistake, you might be Gabra Zebra. No, relax. Okay, believe in yourself. Relax, Carissa, yes, first one, Carissa, correct. First one. What about second one? Zahin, well done. Darwish can see this one. This now, how do we know this is 90? This is 90. They tell you PQ is parallel to PR. This is so. If this down here is 90, this one must be 90 lah. It's a straight line down, perpendicular. Okay, remember you got to use your blinkers, Then down here 49, down here 49 and so lah. Once you get 49, you already know the answer already. You can minus this one, you get 98, this one 82. Are you okay, Darwish? Can, Just be careful, Darwish. Darwish, don't rush, Darwish. Sometimes your mind, you're overconfident. Relax it. Okay. Carissa, let me see. No, that's not the correct answer. See, Okay, we move on to the next one, okay? Guys, you all can do this, guys. Please, you can do this. Like playing in a game of whatever, soccer, you cannot be too tense, neither can you be too relaxed. You're too relaxed, they will attack you. Well done, Carissa. You know your mistake? Is it difficult on this paper, Carissa? Little bit, right? This is your PSLE standard. One whole, Akil. It's a fraction, Cannot be 1 meter, right? Because the amount of ribbon is so. If you are stuck, I want you.
The way I open the door for my father.
Okay. Why times 5, 6? Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Okay, Mr. Akil, you do this way, Akil. Imagine you got 10 meters. She needed 3 meters to make one bow. How many bow can she make? Akil, you got 10 meters. Akil, she need 3 meters. No, I know. Down. No. You take this example. 10 meters, got 3 meters to make one bow. How many bow can she make? Oh, okay, sorry. This is Carissa talking to me. Sorry, you got your answer, right? Okay. I see. Okay, those of you who do not know how to do, you do like this. You try lah. Okay, Darwish, well done for A. It is the B that is the challenge. Zahin, you have gotten answer, Zahin. Both correct. B correct. Not yet. Now, if you get stuck like that, go to a simple, use the 10 and 3 and try to figure out what are the steps you're going to answer for A and B. Okay. No, not correct. You only give me one bowl. Did you give an early answer? No. Okay. I'm going to run through. If you cannot. Imagine you got 10 meters. One bow is 3 meters. How many bows can you make? 3, 6, 9. Only 3 bows can make. Now, how to do? Take 10 divided by 3. Your whole number is your answer. So when I take 10 divided by 3, watch. 10 divided by 3. What do I get? I get 3, right? 9 here. Remainder 1. This 3 is the number of bows I can make. So when you take 7, 8 divided by 320, you will get a whole number. That whole number is the number of bows you can make. Now, down here, we are just lucky to get 1. This 1 is the remainder is correct. But sometimes your remainder is not the answer. So how to do? I'm going to show you again another one. We're going to take another example. Sorry. I give you 11 meters. And then each bow is 2 meters. So you take 11 divided by, sorry. Each bow is 3 meters. Okay. 3, we have 2. Darvish, no, second one not correct. Okay, so I show you the actual one and you see whether you get it. 7, 8 divided by 3 over 20. The whole number is the number of bows. So it's 7, 8 divided by, you change the times, 20 over 3. You divide by 4, you get 2. Divide by 4, you get 5. 7 times 5, 35. Yes, the first one is 5. Divided by 6. So you get 5. Now the balance here is what? 5 whole, 5 over 6, right? But this one is not the remainder, you know. This is 5 over 6 of 320. Remember that, This is 5, 320 bow. So you want to find what's the balance? You can take 5 over 6 times 320. You get the real balance. What is the balance? You divide by 5, divide by 5, you get 1, 4. Divide by 3, divide by 3. You get 1 over 8. Some of you don't get this. So I'm going to show you now how to do another method. One is 1 over 8. So what is the other method? The other method, watch. You find out lah. You got 5 bows. Each bow is 320. Let us find how much is used. Take 5 times 3 over 20. So what do you get? 5 times 3, 15. 15 over 20 is also equals 3 over 4. This is amount of ribbon you use. You get it now? This is 5 bow times 1 bow is 320. So at times I get the total amount of cloth used. Now take your original number of cloth, 7, 8, minus the cloth you use, 3 over 4. You change this, you get 6 over 8 equals to 1 over 8. You get it? 3 4 is 6 over 8, right? So my suggestion is, if you don't understand what I was doing just now, taking 5, 6 times 320, you find how long is 5 bows. 5 times 320, you get this answer going minus the original length. Okay, I have to give you another question like this. Okay, because you all have not, we'll do again. Okay, I'm going to give you my question and now you try. Make sure you all get it correct, please. Okay. Chacha bought half meter of cloth to make some bows. Each bow is 213 meters long. Answer the question same. How many bows can she make? What's the length of ribbon left? Can you try, please? Okay, let me see. I have not worked out myself. Hold on. Well done, Carissa, for first one. What about B? It's the same question. You all need to do this to be able to overcome your mistake. Well done, Carissa. Well done, Dawish, for first one. What was the second one? Akil can do, Akil. You need to do this one so that you can understand
Do
this.
you
Kind
mean
of,
by half or 1, 2?
half lah, this one, half meter. Half meter. Dawish, let me see. Dawish, your remainder is something wrong. The remainder, be careful. You can take your answer times by how much is each bow, then minus 1/2 minus that answer. You get it. Yes, Dawish, well done. Zahin can do. Come on, guys. I need more people to get it correct. Otherwise, I'm going to give a second question or third question. Why? Because sometimes going through the answer is not going to help. 13 cannot be 13. First one cannot be 13. Okay, first step, half divided by 2/13. That's what you do. I'm going to write it down. Okay, half divided by 2/13. Divide by 2/13 means times 13/2. I flip it straight. So you get 13/4. 13/4 you divide, you get 3 whole 1/4. This whole number is the number of bows. So down here is 3. For this question, now if 3 bows, the balance now is 1/4. Take 1/4 times by this 2/13. This, if you don't understand this, you do the other method. Okay, so what do you get? You can reduce 1, 2. You get 1/26. Now, if you don't understand this, no problem. This one you understand, right? There's 3, right? So 3 bows use how much? Take 3 times 2/13. You find out how much is used. Oh, you use 3 times 2, 6. 6/13. Okay, good. This is the amount of cloth used, right? So take half minus 6/13. This is your other method. 3 bows use 6/13. You got half, you minus. So this one you times by 2. You times by 2. You get 26, right? Over 26, right? You times by 13. You times by 13. 1 times 13 is 13. 6 times 2 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1/26. Same thing. Okay, later I'm going to give you another question like this. Now we move on. Okay. Can do this, you can do this. Just be careful again. Just be careful. Darvish, you got to check. Darvish, you got to resist. You got to resist the temptation to answer straight. Read carefully. Read carefully, Darvish. How many adults are there? How much is an adult's ticket? Check, check. Your mistake, Darvish. You're going to add a number to the Y. Cannot. Sorry, Carissa, cannot. So you cannot add a number to the Y. Darvish, you're close to it, but still not. Zahin, something is wrong. Okay, but you forgot to add the Y for the adult. You are assuming the adult ticket is only $2 only, Darvish. Is the adult ticket only $2, Darvish? No. There's also Y, no. Zahin, something is wrong. Oh, Zahin, you're going to take 38 times 2. Your mind is wandering now, Zahin. Your mind is floating. You got to get your mind back. Yes, now you got it, Darvish. Do you understand, Darvish? Is it difficult? No, right? It's not. You just got to be careful only. Just got to be careful only. That's all. You got to be careful. You can do this, guys. Okay, I'm going to go through in a half a minute's time. What about Carissa? Okay, Carissa, Akil? No. No answer, Akil. Okay, let's try one by one. First of all, how many adults are there? There are 3 teachers. Okay, and then, yes, congratulations, Darvish, for B. There are 38 pupils. 1 ticket for the child is Y dollars. 38 pupils have to pay how much for the tickets? 38 times Y equals to 38Y. This is for the children. So far, okay, right? Now, the price of adult ticket is $2 more. So it's Y plus 2. The ticket for the adult is Y plus 2. How many adults are there? 3 adults. So they must pay Y plus 2, Y plus 2, Y plus 2. Correct or not? 1 adult pay Y plus 2, 2 adults Y plus 2, Y plus 2, 3 adults. Why am I writing this down? So that you understand this. How many Y altogether? 1, 2, 3 Y. 3Y plus 6 lah. They have to pay total 3Y plus 6. But how can I do it like that? Okay, you must times 3. You times 3, both must times 3 now. Y times 3, 3Y. 2 times 3, 6. Now you plus these 2 together. 38 plus 3Y, 41Y plus 6. And this you put it as a bracket, dollars. Zahir, okay? Akil, okay? Akil? Carissa, okay? What's who's the other one? Ilhan, okay no, Ilhan? Are you okay? Ilhan, are you all right now? This one. This is also done in Sec 1. Now the total amount paid is 211. So this is the total amount paid. What? It's 211. This is equals to $211, you know. So find now. How to find? Remove the bracket now. You get rid of this 6 lah. Minus the 6. Minus the 6. This is like a model, right? Minus 6, minus 6. I want a minus 6 from here. No more 6. I must minus 6 from here. I get 205. 205 is for 41Y. You divide by 41, you get 5. Y is 5. Children ticket is $5. Adult ticket is $7. That's your answer. This is actually Sec 1 maths. but it's still this second part is a little bit tricky, a little bit tough to do. They may or may not use it for a PSLE, but the first one you must be able to do. Okay, at least the first one. Okay, so those I answer. It's okay, it's okay. Now we are approaching number 9, number 10. It's going to be more challenging. You got to be more alert. You need to wash your face. Please wash your face. Okay, we try. But it's still easy, Asana. Well done. Who's that? Davish. Well done. You must understand, you must calculate what is the average. Okay, I will help you by writing the number because this is, you might not be able to see. So this one's 50, this one's 40, this one's 30, this one's 40, this one's 20, this one's 80. Well done, Zahin. Well done, Zahin. Davish, you must understand what is 100% now. Which one is 100%, Davish? May or June?
Okay.
May. So if May is 100%, June is how many percent? Don't say out the answer. It cannot be small. It's a lot big. Well done, Carissa. Yes, correct, Davish. Are you scared of that number? Not? No, right? Okay, so sometimes your answer 3 holes is correct. But 3 holes is equal to that. You're right, correct. Don't be scared. You know you are confident May is the number. Just go with it. Zahin, go for it, Zahin. Don't be scared of the number. Don't be scared of the number. Davish also, not Davish, Carissa also. Don't be scared of the number, please. See, I normally percentage, I don't see this number. Never mind. Sometimes they will just give you to test your understanding. Okay, I will have to explain now for A. No, you're scared of the number. Which month, Carissa, is 100%? Well done, Zahin. Zahin, are you scared of the number? No, right? Carissa, you scared? Which month 100%, Carissa? May or June? Ilhan,
Me.
yeah, you. Okay. I run through now. Ilhan, we go through now. First, you need to find the average. Add all this up. 50 plus 40 plus 20, 120, 160, 180, 180 plus 60, 260. 260 divided by 6. Huh? What do you get? You get 43.33333. 43.333 is roughly around here. Lah. So they say which 2 months sold more than average. This is average, right? 43. So 50 and 80 lah. Actually, this question, when they tell you which 2 months sold the most, you don't even need to see. You can actually take the top 2. The question not so good lah. Because the top 2 will be the ones selling more than average, right? Now, the next one, percentage increase, you must understand this now. May is 100%, you know. 20 is 100%. So, Carissa, what is 80? How many percent? You times by 4, you times by 4, you get 400. But the answer is not 400%. What was the percentage increase? 300%. From 100 to 400 is 300. Are you okay, Carissa? Yes, huh? Okay, we move on now. You are moving now to question number 10. Huh? It's going to get a little bit more, but this paper is not too tough. Okay, you try now. You try, hold on. Huh? For question B, you just give the answer how many percent. Don't need to, we need to know how many percent. That's it. Okay, I don't know whether you can see now. I'll draw the line. Huh? Okay, can see, huh? Okay, if you want me, I'll write down here. 120. This one is if I give you okay lah. Each one is 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 18. So this one 108. This one is 2 less, 72. Now you try lah. And use your calculator, please. Use your calculator, please. You want to find 100%? No. How much is 100%? Come on, come on, come on. You know how to do already. Percentage is given down here. You can find, you can find. 100%. Yeah, 100%. How much, Dawish? We want to find 100%. What was the total number? Of course, total number will be 100%. But how many? How much is how many students? 100%. Oh, Karis. You don't understand, huh? Karisa, correct. Well done.
So do we need to do B?
Yeah, but you tell the number only. Just tell me the number. Davish, 100%. How many students, Davish? You can tell me 100 students, 100%. Cannot. Oh, you're giving the answer for B, yeah? Okay, okay. Karisa, okay, thank you. Davish, you're giving the answer for B, is it? A, what about A? Ah, well done. 400, okay. Alamak, this guy pecah tu lah, 400. He told everyone. Okay, how do you know 400? You see 27%. is how much? 108. You find out what is 1%, divide by 100, divide by 27, you get 4. 1% is 4 students. You don't believe 18, 72. 72 divided 18, 1% is 4 students. 30 is to 120, 1% is 4 students. No, 140. 140, no. Okay, so you find out now how many, you see it down here. 108 students, 27%. 27, 100 divided 27, 4%, 4 students. What is 4 students? 1% is 4 students. You don't believe, you try. 18 times 4, what do you get? 72. 18% times 4, 72 students. 30% times 4, 120 students. So now 100%, 400 students. 100% times 4. And then you minus 400 minus what? 400 minus 120 minus 72 minus 108. You will get the answer to be 100 down here. So this one you shade until 100 somewhere here. Okay. All right. I don't need to go further. This one is quite okay. Again, not too tough, but you got to be alert. So PSLE time, please have enough sleep for all your exams. Don't you say, no, mommy and daddy, I want to study until 12 midnight. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sleep early. Number 11. Okay, we try our best to finish until number 17. Okay, we try. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Give you 3 minutes for question 11. 3 marks. I'll start drawing the model first. Maybe it might help some of you.
Sir, am I correct?
Okay, let me see. Let me see. This question 11. No. They want how much they spend all together now. But good try, good try. We're going to run through in a moment. I'm going to run through. You can find out how much is each mark already, right? Or label also.
Each mark 0.80.
Each mark is 320 each, right? Give you 320.
1280.
So altogether is 1280, is it? Yes, 1280. So in that case, I'm going to change. No, you all agree it is 1280, yeah? 320 times 4, 1280. So I'm going to change it to a model. Okay, so that we can see clearly. Here we go. You saw it's 1280, right? So now I'm going to draw now again. So I label, okay. As Carissa said, this is 1280. And then this part here, from here to here, is 240. So you can find out how much is the what? The 4, this is 4 plates, you know. You can find out the price of the 4 plates. Can find out.
Yeah.
240. Can. How much you find out then?
1520.
1520. Okay. 1280 plus 240, 1520. Correct. 1520 for 4 plates. 1 plate is how much? Can you divide?
3.8.
$3.80. Okay, $3.80. Correct. So this Meng, he buy 10. So how much he spent? Times 10. Or you can count together and also together. So he's got 10, the aunt bought 6, so 16. Can you find out 380 times 16 how much? Can you get 70? Yes, Carissa, your answer is correct. Yeah? So the 3.8 times 16, 6080. Okay. Then you plus 1280 plus this one. Yes, 73, 60. So my question to you, is it difficult or is it solvable? Solvable, right? But you got to be calm, cool, relaxed, alert. You try to draw the model. Take your time, don't worry. Look, this is question 11, PSLE, this standard or roughly. You can do this. But if you just see 10, you straight we go Gabra Zebra, you just trying to jump into it, you will make mistake. You got to take it step by step. Okay, so the answer is 73, 60. Zahin, okay, no, Zahin, you understand? I know you're tired already. Okay, we got another about 20 minutes more. Let's try lah. See how many more questions. And you know we are going to slightly tougher and tougher and tougher question. So never mind, we try. Okay. Carissa, let me see. Sorry, Carissa, not correct. If you can take a photo of your working, you can send to me, it'd be wonderful. If you don't mind. You know my number? Or you can also attach down here for me to. This is my number. You can send to me also. I can immediately look at your working if you want to. If not, it's okay. I got no working. Okay, then never mind. One minute more before I explain, eh? 1 minute more before I explain. Davish, so sorry. Five cannot be too low. Okay, we go step by step. Eh? The average score of the class is 77. How many students are there? We do not know. That's what they want to find. Maybe it's 20 students, maybe 30 students, maybe 40 students. We don't know. But we know that 14 students' marks was marked wrongly. The teacher gave them less marks and then added 3 marks each. So how much now? Okay, this represents the total marks of the students at first. Now they're going, teacher going plus some marks. How many marks? 14 times 3. Okay, how do we know? 14 students, each student get 3 marks more. You times, you get what? 42 marks extra. Okay, so this one you understand. The class now got 42 more marks. You understand this bit? Yes, right? Because 3 marks is added for each of the 14 students. So now they got 42 marks more. At first, the average marks is 77. Later on becomes 79. Now this 42 marks, when we do average, is divided among all the students. So each student get how much more? Last time they get 77. Now they get 79. How much more? 2 marks more. So you divide this by 2. You get 21 students. But I don't think you understand this one. Okay, but this is actually the answer. Okay, now we go step by step. 14 students were given 3 marks extra. So 14 times 3 is 42 marks. So the teacher gave 42 marks extra now. Average from 77 becomes 79. So each student get 2 marks more now. The average. So 42 divided by 2 marks, you get 21 students. Because this 42 marks, you must spread to every student in the class, you know. That's what average is. So this 42, you must find the factors. You can say the factors lah. So it's like 1 student, 2 student possible. 5 students cannot. Imagine you got 5 students. How are you going to divide this 42? So you must, where you must understand is this. These extra marks now, they are going to pass it to the students. You know, they're going to divide it to the students, all the students. If you have 42, 5 students, let's say you got 5 students. 42 divided by 5 got remainder, cannot. This got to be given to every student. So maybe what are the factors of 42? Okay, so we write down lah. You can be 1 student, you can be 2 students, can be 3 students, 4 cannot, 5 cannot, 6 students possible, 7 students possible. What? 6 times 7, 42. 3 times what? 42. 3 times 18. Hold on. 3 times what? Let's see. 42 divided by 3. 14. Next one. 2 times 21. And the other one is 42. One of these numbers is the number of students. Why? You have to understand the concept. The teacher gave 42 extra marks. This is to be divided among the students because you're calculating average now. So you say every student get 2 extra marks. So 2 times what? Equals to 42. 2 times 21. So there's 21 students lah. Because 21 students, each one get 2 marks means it's 42 marks. So what is the method? 79 minus 77, 42 divided by 2, 21. But I think you all are too tired. Look at Zahin, look at Akil, all tired already. Tak boleh masuk already, tak boleh masuk. It's okay. It's okay. You all have been trying quite well for the first 11 questions. But I still need to go on. Let me try to find a question maybe that we all can do. Maybe angle question. This one, let's see. This one can come out, no? Remember front view, back view. This is now 2021. They might test you on this. This one, hold on. That's fine. Is there angle? Okay, we try angle. Angle is slightly easier. Inshallah. Come on. Don't give up, please. Go all out. This is your last month. They want you to find angle EAC, which is this angle here. And angle CEF. This angle here. I'll mark it for you. I want you to find this angle here. Darwish, I got the first one. Let us see whether you're correct, Mr. Darwish. Congratulations, Mr. Darwish, for A. I will help you by labeling because you cannot see, you cannot label. In your actual paper, do label, okay? This here is a square, so all these are the same. This here is isosceles, equilateral, all is the same. Maybe you can see better now. And then you want to see trapezium, AE. Maybe you can see better. Okay, Darwish, let me see whether. Congratulations, Darwish. This one, how to find this angle? See, you know, it's not 45, right? I'm going in already, yeah. The whole thing is 45. This one is how many degrees? You know. Equilateral 60. This one 90. Okay, use your horse what? Blinkers. Do this one and find out what this angle is. Okay, I draw the triangle for you. You can do this. You can do this. You must block out the triangle out now like that. This one is how much? This one down here, 90 plus 60. How much is that? You can find the one down here. Then this one 45. This one is 45. 45 minus this give you this. Well done, Mr. Akil. That's answer for A actually. Okay, that's well done, Akil. Come on, Carissa, come on. Don't give up, Carissa. You tired there? Well done, Carissa, for A. So sometimes you need to block out. Remember what I told you, don't see all the information, cut it out. You need to redraw. CEF. Zahin, the whole thing is 45, Zahin. They want only the yellow part. From here to here is 45. You got to find this angle here, then you minus 45 minus this angle, then you can get down here. You can see, oh, there's too many things here. So once again, Zahin, the whole thing is 45, Zahin, but you want only this one down here. You can find this one, Zahin. 180 minus this one. Answer divided by 2, you get this one. Yes, well done, Zahin. Okay, what about the next one? CEF, come on, CEF. Mr. Darwish is tired, waiting for us. Mr. Darwish, just a moment, Mr. Darwish. You can do this. You will be, I tell you, you've been knocking your head if you say you cannot do this. Okay, okay, you can't see. Those of you cannot see, I want you to know that the Z, you know how to do the Z, right? All know how to do the Z, yeah? This is also another Z. Z. You know Z, this one is equal to this one. You all know that, right? Z can also be like that, no? Z can also be like that, you know? This is also equal to this one. Come on. Show me what's the next answer now. You can see. Come on, Zahin. Yes, well done, Zahin. Has scored a goal. Mr. Zahin has just scored the goal. Referee says goal accepted. Scored just before the whistle was blown. Waiting for the rest now. Those who cannot see, I need to highlight the thing now. Okay, I need to highlight now. See, highlight what now? Okay, here we go. Akil now. Akil has sent. Akil, the digits are not to the now. Akil, watch. Akil, watch. Oh, sorry. And Carissa, come on. You can do this. You can see this one. This is another type of Z. Another type of Z. Another type of Z. This now is this. This is also the same, This whole thing, you know, this whole thing is the same as this one. Come on, Akil. Come on. You know this is 45, correct? This one is how much? Equilateral triangle. Let us see. Come on, Carissa. Well done, Akil. Akil has scored a goal. Carissa, well done. 105. So now this is not too difficult. It depends on whether you can see or not. But you're tired, sometimes difficult to see. Okay, we have now. So how many marks is this? Not yet over. Not yet over. They say now, down here, 3 more questions. ABEC is a trapezium. Do you agree or not? True, false or not? They say it's parallel. What is parallel? The one is parallel is down here, and this whole line. So Akil says false. Okay, what about False, huh? Congratulations, Mr. Akhil, this is false. Because the line here is parallel to here. Line all the way here. But this one now, we do not know, this one is going downward, it's not a straight line. So this one is straight line. So this is false. CEF greater than EFG. Okay, I'm gonna clear this one now. Huh? So false. CEF greater than EFG. Greater than this. Do you agree? See whether all false. Yes, answers all false. Okay, let's see. This one we cannot tell. Not possible to tell. Why? There's no way to measure. Okay, you know this one 105. Can you find out this one? You try it. You won't be able to find out.
Yes, it's 15.
This one 15, but it's more than 90 degrees. What? It's more than 90 degrees. This plus this doesn't equal to 180. Yeah, this is parallel. This plus this is 180 degrees. If you can find this, you can find this. But since we cannot find this, we cannot say that it's not possible to tell. The last one, ECG plus FGC. ECG, okay, I clear again. ECG plus FGC is equals to 180. And Mr. Akhil got the answer correct for that. Congratulations. Just now we discovered we do not know what this angle is. This one 180 minus 105, you get 75. Down here we do not know what's the angle. We do know. So, but for sure, we don't know. So most probably it's false. Not possible to tell, can be that also, but most likely it's false. Okay, so now, how do we continue? We stop. Oh, dah penat lah, tak tahan. Okay, not bad lah. You all did quite well, but your PSLE is going to be just like that. Okay, so I'll catch up with you next week, all right? All right, next week we try to do the
It's the
full
same
paper.
video, Joe.
Yes, okay. Next week, can we start from the last question? We start maybe from question 10. Then this time we move to the end and then we go. Because by the time you reach end of the lesson, you're already tired already. Then it get more and more difficult, not fair to you guys. Okay, we try to do the end first. We start from question 10. And I will do also paper 2021. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye. Take care.